Записываю специально вертикально это видео, только потому что телефон у меня будет стоять в кармане, когда я буду записывать для вас это видео. Выкладываю его абсолютно без купюр. Если большое количество людей пожелает, чтобы я сделал перевод этого видео, я тогда его удалю и сделаю его перевод и выложу его опять. Надеюсь, многие из вас будут понимать, о чем идет речь, но вы должны в общем и целом, главное, подцепить дух того, как я делаю эстимейты, как успешно предлагать продукты, как качественно продавать ваши объекты, как делать таким образом, чтобы уровень продаж строительных объектов повышался, на чем люди акцентируют внимание, ваши потенциальные клиенты и так далее. То есть, в принципе, желающим работать в области строительства в Америке очень рекомендую это видео посмотреть как минимум до конца, потому что вы поймете от начала до конца, от момента, когда я захожу к человеку в дом, и до момента, когда я выхожу у человека из дома, какие я делаю экшен, то есть как я себя веду, что я делаю, о чем я говорю и как я, самое главное, предлагаю продукты. Ну, как кто досмотрит до конца, там не забудьте поставить, может быть, и лайк тоже. Так что смотрите, наслаждайтесь. Абсолютно уникальное видео. Сейчас буду делать с вами эстимейт. Пойдете со мной на эстимейт. Для эстимейта я возьму рулетку свою электронную, лазерную. И для замеров не буду ее брать. И для записи всех важных моментов я возьму обязательно iPad, в котором я буду все записывать. Блин, iPad у меня сел, поэтому я поставлю его на зарядку. Но буду записывать все в телефон. В телефоне тоже есть Notes. И обязательно берем кавер для ботинок, так называемые shoe covers. Район New Construction, новые дома здесь. Здесь я приехал делать эстимейт бейсмента.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Thank you for calling. I have pleasure.
Hey, how are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing
I'm
good. How are you?
Sergey. Nice to meet you. Kitchen Basin Closet. Do you want to meet you at the basement?
Yes.
I can go over.
Yeah. So you can come down from here.
Thank you for calling.
If you want to.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
I still have my shoe covers.
Oh, okay.
It's not a big deal. How is your day going?
Yeah, it's going a little busy today.
You're on the phone?
Yeah, but not a problem. We can talk. Yeah. Close the door, okay? So, I just wanted to show you this upstairs so that
Okay.
you will get some idea like how I would like to finish the basement.
Okay.
So you see this kitchen, right?
Yes, sir.
So I want a similar kind of kitchen, not exactly the same, but similar.
We have just a little bit better than you have right now. We have a shaker, full wood construction, 5 doors pieces, and we have just a little bit better than you have.
Okay.
But I got the idea. You need just a white kitchen with the white backsplash, some kind of bright countertop.
Yeah.
That's the way?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Let's go. You will just give me the space to measure it. And
Yeah. And that is the island I need.
Mm-hmm.
Similar island. And you see this divider, right? The what is called this beam.
Okay,
Right?
the opening. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I need the separation between the kitchen and the living room like this.
Okay.
And you see this wall, right?
Mm-hmm.
So right now we don't have a framing for the wall.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to build this wall
Okay.
so that we can get a bedroom in this area.
Extra
in the
room.
down.
I got it.
Yeah.
I got it. Okay.
And also if you look at this bathroom, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we are going to construct the similar kind of bathroom, like
Okay, we'll just try to repeat the layout, right?
yes.
Okay, sounds
that's
good.
Yeah.
Let's make it.
Yeah. Sure.
Not a big deal.
Yeah.
So this is the area between of the kitchen and the living room, right?
Yes.
So and in your case over here, you don't really need the beam, so you can keep this open as is.
Okay.
Or you need just kind of, you won't have like a visual separation in between of them. I wouldn't put the beam.
Oh, okay.
Because technically you don't need that, and it will actually make your space even wider, bigger, longer.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So any separation will kind of separate the areas, but if you want to have like an open concept, I would probably leave it as is, because you don't really need that.
Okay.
This is the span you already have. If you're not going that way, you're absolutely fine.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just throwing my idea, but yeah,
Okay.
based on
Sounds
your
good.
explanation, yeah.
I got it. Here over kitchen, then we have a living room. Then we separate this area and build a bedroom and a
Yes.
bathroom right there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in your mind, in your vision, it's kind of wall going right over here.
Yes.
Okay, this is the size of the new room.
Yes.
Okay, and let's say they left this opening kinda for the closet, but do you want to have all this space for the bathroom and maybe build the closet? Sorry, my friend, build somewhere over here.
So
It will
that
give you
entire
more.
space is not going to be occupied by the bathroom, right? Maybe we will have some space here, right? After building the bathroom.
No, that's how they actually. I think that's why they have 2 openings. I think in their vision, it has some separation from this area. But if you would like to keep the bathroom, let's say, a little bit bigger, we can build a closet right over here on this side, inside of the room.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Because if you will build a closet over here, you will eat some space into the bathroom. You got my point?
Okay.
So what I would do, maybe just to build a wall right here, and then you will have a nice size bathroom, right here, with no closet into it.
Okay.
And then we can have another closet on that wall.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Work good for you?
Yeah. It would work good for you. So the entire space is going to be occupied by the bathroom, right?
Yep.
I mean, from
So,
here to there.
Yep.
Okay.
So you have a connection. They actually, for some reason, put the toilet drain on that side.
Yeah.
How do you want to use this space?
I just wanted to know the possibility of building the bathroom here. Is it possible? Because we have the the pipes over there, right? So is it possible to build it over there, or we have to build it here only?
I mean, we have like two ways how we can discuss that. The first question, we have actually the pump right here. So around the pump, we should have, let's say, mechanical room, which should be about 3 feet all around the pipe in case you will need any maintenance for it. So the code says you have to have 3 feet around space available for maintenance.
Oh, okay.
So let's assume from the center of the pump, we should have 3 feet this way, 3 feet that way, 3 feet this way. So probably it's kind of dead space, technically.
Oh, okay.
So what I would do, maybe just to build a wall over here, because you still have this pipe, which will be like extra chasing for you. So maybe it makes more sense just to build a wall to continue to this line, then have a door from the bathroom into the commode room. So here we can have just a toilet, like a separate privacy room.
Oh, okay.
You got my point? And there you will have just like a wet area, you will have like a shower and vanity.
Okay.
So whoever will come here, someone can be in the privacy room, in a toilet room, and someone can use this the same time vanity, you know?
Oh, okay.
That's why, like, two ways. We can move this over there, which is extra cost just to break the concrete. Doesn't make sense to me because we can have a toilet here, have a privacy room here, because we're still losing this space right over here.
Okay.
And just because you have this and you have this point, you might want to shift the shower this way, you know, because this is the drain for your shower, which is probably the good idea just to have in the middle or like, you know, close to the end of the shower.
Okay.
I would just a little bit reconfigure the space over here, just to keep it kind of, you know, reasonable. And you don't have any HVAC system over here.
No.
Would you like to connect it to the existing system, or you would like to have a separate system?
Separate system.
So then this space we can use for the unit itself. You got my point?
Okay.
So we will have like mechanical room over here for everything, including the pump, HVAC unit, and other stuff we need to have over here, because you probably will need the extra panel, the sub panel.
Yeah, I think.
Let's check how many spaces you have. So you have 14 more breakers. Probably it will be more than enough for the basement. When it happened, 21. Okay, so it probably have enough space. We don't really need another panel. We need to check the lines, how many lines we have to have. So we will have living room, we will have a kitchen, we will have a bedroom, we will have a bathroom.
Yes.
And what else we will have, like an intermediate room, conce or anything like that?
So this area, right? Suppose if you are building a wall here, right? So I just wanted to, because I thought I can use this entire space for the media room, right? But if you are going to build a wall here, I have to think whether this space is enough for the home theater or not.
More than enough.
More than enough.
So what I would do, I would build the door opening right over here and the wall right over here. So on this wall, actually, we need just to think how we can make it right, because we can turn the toilet in a different ways. So then, depend on that, we can have a door opening for the privacy room itself. And we can have one of the doors here for the mechanical room, you know?
Yes.
So then you will have the media room or home theater room right over here, mechanical room right here, with all your equipment, units, and so on and so on and so on, you know, like a small storage area as well. Here is the privacy room, shower, probably the best idea, because we have to shift everything this way, probably the good idea to have the closet, because you probably need the linen closet and the shower and the bedroom itself, right? So maybe to have a closet here and just build the same closet right over here, which will just a little bit separate the area from the entrance. So when you will come, you will not see what's going on over here. So you can put the bed on this wall.
Okay. What about this area then?
This area should be shower for sure. And this is your drain pipe for the vanity. So we have like different ways how we can configure the vanity location as well. So it might be on this wall or it might be on that wall. It depends how we will design the space for the commode room and doors and stuff like that.
Okay.
But I would just a little bit reconfigure this area right here, but in that area you can stay as is. And what do you think about the space under the staircase?
Yeah.
What was in your mind?
So, yeah, I am trying to put the washer and dryer here.
Okay,
Washer and dryer.
okay,
So I don't know how to use that space because that space is going to be wasted.
for sure. I would not use that space like washer and dryer. You mean you want to have like a laundry?
Sorry?
Like you want to have like a laundry room, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So the washer and dryer will not fit into that room, right? Because if I'm putting there, I can't go inside, right?
No, you
I mean,
can. We can actually have like a stackable unit. But instead of that, maybe you can use that space. We can see how, but probably maybe like a good storage space.
Okay.
But you have some piping connection in this area as well. So you need an access over here. What if you will just extend this wall, probably about to here, have a stackable unit right here, facing that way.
Okay.
So what you do, we open the door over here. You come inside. On this side, you can maintain your filter system unit.
Okay.
And on this side, you have a laundry stackable unit. So you can do whatever you need to do, unload it, load it. You have enough space because you still have to have an access for this unit.
Okay.
You got my point?
Okay.
Then we will, like where you stay, maybe like right next to you, we will have a wall. And we can use that space like a storage. And we can actually open, so we will build this wall over here, build the wall right over here. And then we can open the door from the home theater room, build the wall over here, you will have one storage area. Or even if you need, we can just rebuild. We have to leave this, but we can rebuild the wall like this, and then you can have like a small bar area right here. If you need anything in the media room for the equipment, so on and so on and so on.
Okay.
We can have like a cabinet right here,
Okay.
so you can use from that side. We build the wall over here, we have the wall over there, and we can put the door on this side, and then you will have like a pantry or whatever storage unit next to the kitchen and living room.
Oh, okay. So I can put the pantry here?
You can, big pantry, like huge pantry.
Oh, okay.
But this pantry more like in front of the living room because your kitchen will be
Yeah,
right there,
yeah.
But still, you can use it like a storage, like because that's gonna be walk-in pantry. You will have a wall over here, and all this space could be like your pantry or storage unit. So you can have a lot of shelving on this wall and put any stuff you want. Use the floors around for that. What do you think?
So the washer and dryer, the stocked washer and dryer, you're saying it's nothing but one top of another? Okay.
Stackable unit. It will save you a lot of space because you don't really need a lot of space. I don't think so. Someone will use it really daily. This laundry, right? It's not the main laundry.
Yes.
It's like for this unit, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So so you are saying that you are going to put an entrance here?
Yeah, I would open the doorway over here, put the door. So when you go in, you have that unit which you can maintain, and then you have laundry on this side.
Okay.
The same way we can have shelving on that wall, so you can put any chemicals or whatever.
Okay. Yeah, actually, if you are putting a door here, right? So I was thinking, this was my idea, right? So I'm going to have a pantry like in this corner, something like this, in corner, right? Corner pantry, and then we have a refrigerator here, and we have a kitchen over there, all that area.
You still need access to that room, so you can put the fridge over here, as you said, and put the door right here, right?
Okay.
I'm just thinking how we can just utilize the space.
Got it. Yeah, but your idea is also good because.
I mean that's also. I mean, if you want to have a fridge over here, that's also fine because we can push So we can have a fridge here, but then you will have like a small, let's say, hallway inside. And the another idea, you can actually put the fridge inside over here. But then we have to move the laundry. Maybe laundry will be on that side.
Oh, okay.
I just try to kind of utilize this space for the two proposed, because you have to have access to that.
Yes.
So, and then you have a water over here. It makes more sense to have a laundry over here.
Okay.
Another question with the laundry, you will need the pump, and your pump actually right there.
Okay.
So to minimize, so if you will have the laundry somewhere over here, you will need to have another pump in this area. So if you will need the laundry unit and you will try to stay with one pump, you probably need to be over there with the laundry, which is possible as well because you have spot over there.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
So meaning we can have laundry on that side, and we can have, as you said, this room with the access right over here. I would not use this space for the pantry, because then you can have a good space for the kitchen, you know. Even if you will have a fridge here, you will have like whole working area over here. Probably you won't like to open that wall, right, and have a window over there,
Yes, I
like
want
a sink.
window. Yeah.
So we can have a water line on that side. So meaning our cooking device should be on that wall or right over here in the island. Like two combinations as well. You have like, you can put over here, we can cook it and go outside with the hood, or have it over the island itself and cook it up and go outside as well.
Okay. Yeah. And so whatever the drain for the sink, so that is going to be connected to that pipe, or how is it?
The drain for the sink is not a big deal, not like for the laundry or for the bathroom, because you can have the pump inside of the sink cabinet for this type of the sink. And it will pump it out into the main system, which will go in that pump, and that pump will pump it out outside.
Okay.
Can I answer?
Yeah,
My plumber, give me a second, I'm so sorry. Hello? Алло? Привет, привет. Да, я тоже так подумал, что сделали. Если крю available, то можно поехать в Мариету, потому что там как бы такая работа, она достаточно простая. Они сами поймут, что там надо трубы срезать и так далее. А там, во-первых, хозяйка дома, во-вторых, там у нас локбокс есть на входе. Да. Там кто-то сможет меня набрать, когда они будут там, чтобы я вам там как-то, может... Там кто-то говорит из них по-английски? Отлично. Может, тогда мы просто скоординировали бы там по плану. Все, добро, на связи. I'm so sorry, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, where we stopped?
So yeah, kitchen, the drain, sink drain.
Yeah, we have to drain into the main system, the main sewer system, but it can go with the separate pump. It's not expensive pump, and it doesn't go into the floor. So it's right in the cabinet. It's like a bucket. Everything goes into that bucket and pump it out to the main system.
Okay.
It's like 2 horsepower, I think, something 1.5 horsepower, which is absolutely fine for the sink.
So that area, right? That area, after we put the AC unit, and we put, can we go there?
Yeah, sure.
So what I'm thinking is that this entire area, right? All this rectangular area, I'm thinking let's have a standing shower here like this, right? And the commode here, right? And the vanity over here.
Well, I mean, we will have to figure how we will have the door for the commode. This is the main reason. From that point, we will go to the vanity. Because probably we cannot have the vanity right here if we try to open this section of the wall, you know? So it's gonna be on the way. In this case, we have to think. So you said to have a shower there, right?
Yeah,
how we can get to the shower? From here?
So I'm thinking, like, either we can put a door over here
For the toilet room?
for the toilet room,
That will work. Yeah.
or we can put it over here.
Okay.
So what we can do is that I'm thinking like we can build a wall like this.
Mm-hmm.
That is going to be a closet,
Okay.
and from here to here, a door to enter into the bathroom.
The whole bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how we can have the, okay, if the bathroom will be on that side, so how we will have a vanity, because we have a drain for the shower, we have a commode, so around the commode we will have a room itself, walls. So we can go around, or how, because I mean I see just a little bit differently. So if we will have a commode room over there, we can open this section right over here and have a door to it. If you're okay to have a door into the commode room from that media room, that's even better for us. Then we will have the vanity right on this wall.
Okay.
And we can use the pipe itself for the shower, like in the beginning of the shower, just to make a slope, the negative slope, the way the outside, but to have the shower head on that side. So we can have a shower valve probably on this wall, not on the exterior wall, but facing the shower that way. So you have like a glass wall over here, getting into the shower, then you have a vanity right over here, then you have, I mean, if we can use the door from that side, that would be great. Then you have just a little bit of a wall, and you have another wall with the door over here. Then we can have a closet for this room and have another closet, because we can just build a box right over here, use this door for the closet for the bedroom, and open the door opening from that end, from the bedroom, and use this section like a closet for the bedroom.
Okay.
Or we can have the door over here, and that will have just completely wall over there and just a door for the mechanical room, and have just a small vanity, like 24-inch vanity, or maybe move the vanity on another wall.
So what I'm saying is that the vanity is going to be here. Like we have to build a wall, something like this. So this is going to be a bathroom wall. So from that to here, all this area is going to be a bathroom. Shower over there, commode over there, and the vanity is over there. So when I'm entering into the bathroom, so I will maybe the door will go like something like this, and this is my vanity, this is my commode, and this is my shower. So is that possible?
I mean, it's not really possible, because we have to shift this wall to get the drain for the shower. And also we will have to bust the floor again just to have this pipe, because this is a pipe for the vanity or whatever, this is sewer line, okay? So we need to have the same pipe which goes from the pump to any spot over here for the vanity itself. So what we have to do, we have to bust the concrete all the way from the pump to find the pipe in the pump and run it in the other direction.
Okay.
Just because you have this setup, I try to save the money, and I try to save like labor or whatever, just on busting concrete, and because you need to open everything over here to find the pipes,
Okay.
to reconnect that.
Okay. So we can't connect this pipe something like maybe it will come something like this?
No, I mean it's just because of the gravity, it cannot go this way. You have to have like a slope.
Oh, okay.
Then the water will go down into the pump bucket.
Oh, okay.
So it cannot go like around the walls. I mean, it still can, but with the slope. But if you will take a slope over here, I mean, you actually cannot do it because you have this pipe. So with this pipe, if you want to have a shower over here, you need to move this pipe right here, So this pipe should have like a slope like this. And finally, the point right over here, which is almost 20 inches height. So from 20 we need to go to the 0. Then it will have a gravity to have all around like with the elbows, and almost impossible.
Okay. And the washer.
The good thing for you, we provide with the free design and free layout. So when you sign the agreement, you can play with the dimensions, and you can play with the layouts.
Okay. And the washer and dryer is possible to put it here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. With the AC unit.
Yep. I mean, I would not put in the same room with the AC unit. I would have in this corner, but probably just separate the AC unit like in the mechanical room.
Okay.
And have just a laundry, let's say laundry on this side and mechanical room on that side. And build a wall in between of them just to separate the areas.
Okay. What I'm trying to ask is that, so when we build the wall straight to that, right? So the washer and dryer can still fit into this area, right? It cannot. Okay. Yeah. So, and for the washer and dryer, it is going to be like unfinished or finished, because for the AC unit.
I mean, I will probably finish it because this is a laundry room.
Okay. Yeah. But for the AC unit.
It's up to you. I would not finish if you will not use it like maybe storage room or whatever. Some people finish, some people not. I mean, I would definitely insulate that with the foam insulation all around, and maybe later on if you would like to, you can just cover with the drywall, but I would probably just leave it open.
Okay.
Probably just will be your mechanical room. I don't think so you will, use it really often and so on and so on. Maybe like a small storage space and a mechanical room.
Yeah. And I'll go with LVP all over, no carpet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what about the layout we just discussed?
Yeah, the only thing is that this bathroom, right? So we can think, because again, I'm not expert in this area, right? So I don't know what is possible and what is not possible. But
I mean, everything possible from the beginning. Everything just costs a little bit extra money if it's already in place, like your piping. You still can move them anywhere you want. If you want, you can move this pipe in the end of your basement on that side, but it will cost you extra because you have to make it range, you have to bust the concrete and finish the concrete, and so on and so on and so on. And this is the epoxy floor as well.
yes.
You probably already don't care about that because you will cover with the LVP, but anyway.
Yeah.
So it's about the cost. I try to eliminate that stuff which is gonna be really extra for nothing.
Yes.
I try to advise you something which you can or where you can save some money, but it's up to you. If you want to move everything completely on that side, you can. It will just cost you a little bit extra
Got it. Yeah. Yeah.
instead of whatever you have right now.
Yeah. I also don't want to, dig the trench and disturb this concrete. I know that it is going to cost extra bucks, but yeah, I want to go with whatever the best layout we can make it without digging.
Without digging, I would use the space you already have.
Yeah.
Okay, let me measure your basement.
Yeah, sure.
Last one. One 765. Sir, you said LVP floor everywhere?
Sorry?
LVP floor?
Yeah, everywhere, yes.
In all rooms?
Yeah.
Including the bathroom or tile in the bathroom?
Tiles in the bathroom.
Okay. Even in the theater room, you want to have LVP?
Yes.
Because for the theater room, carpet will be better for sure. For the soundproofing. Proofing.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, in that case, yeah, I'll
In
go
the
with
media room, carpet?
Yeah. So, yeah, because we are not going to use that for, I mean, everyday use, right? We can, carpet, yeah.
What you can do, we actually have a showroom in Roswell, and I mean, if you will continue working with us, you definitely will need to come and see it. But we have also the woodworking shop in the Woodstock, and we produce the soundproofing panels. They're looking like this. Like this one, wood with the felt and plywood on the back, like this. So you can use these panels and avoid the carpet on the floor then, because they soundproof, but it's acoustic panels, and they soundproof the space and also make it quiet and also absorb the sound itself and make it more right and clean and whatever. You know? So then you can use the different type, like hard material on the floor, because what happened, the sound itself will just reflect from the any kind of hard surfaces. And you know, so for the clean sound itself in the media room, you will need to have something soft, like a fabric and wood and, you know, carpet and stuff like that. So I can estimate right now carpet, but in the future you have that option. You can install the LVP floor there and have just acoustic panels on the walls. They cool looking, and also they work as a really good sound improvement.
So the panels that you're talking about, like rough estimate how much it is going to cost?
The panels itself, they go from $22 per square foot, and we have 38 for the. This is about more about the wood finish, because we make them with the real wood, not the MDF. And we have from the poplar all the way to the red oak, the quarters of red oak, because we have a woodworking shop and the sawmill as well. So we're milling the wood, and we have a different type of wood. So I mean, if you will come by into the showroom, you will see different options for everything, like 7 different type of the cabinets we build, and you know, the countertops we have like different type of the wood countertops, epoxy countertops, different type of the finishes, and you know, so on and so on.
Okay. So, yeah, I can you text me the address of your showroom?
Oh, sure. I will text it to you, and also from you I will need the email. I think we don't have your right email.
Okay, yeah, sure.
We will have an island there, not a peninsula, right? You want to have for the kitchen, you want to have an island?
Yes.
Not the peninsula. Peninsula, it meaning she's connected to the wall. Or, like, let's say on this layout, if we will have a kitchen right here, so you will have a fridge on that side. We can have like an island over here, or we can have like a peninsula right here, so you will have like a bar.
Oh, okay, got it.
So that's gonna be connected to your rest of your kitchen like this, and then it will have a peninsula on this side, or island.
Okay.
What would you prefer? The island you have upstairs? I think even I have. Like this is a peninsula. You see this type?
Got it. Yeah.
So we can have this peninsula over here. It goes through the wall. You see this sink right here? This is the sink right over here on this wall, and the peninsula goes right here.
Oh, okay.
Or the island. I mean, if you would like to have upstairs.
Okay, got it.
What do you want?
Yeah.
Island for now?
Island for now, but I will think about.
Yeah, I mean, anytime, because with the design, it's actually really easy to understand when we provide designs for our customers. Some of them completely change their mind and the vision, how they visualized that before, because when you see the real pictures and we provide with like completely realistic pictures, so you will see how the space will look like with all the colors and all the details. And from that point, you might change your mind, like, okay, maybe we don't want to have white kitchen, I want to have a gray kitchen, or whatever,
Okay.
I try to check. So, kitchen, island. What type of insulation would you like to use on the walls? We have the fiberglass insulation, which is a little bit cheaper than the foam insulation. But you have, I mean, they spray the penetrations with this foam insulation. I mean, the foam insulation is like 99.8% energy efficient. This is a better product than the fiberglass. This is a fiberglass. This is a foam. Which type of insulation would you like?
How much is the difference?
I would say like 35%.
Okay.
This is more expensive. It saves more energy, and it's more energy efficient. It stops any leaking. It stops any bugs, nest creations, and many different things. That's why it's more expensive.
Okay. And the heating system, right, for the
Yeah.
basement, it is through electric only, right? No gas, right?
I didn't check gas. We probably can have a gas because you have a gas line. This is your gas line, but it's up to you again, electric or the gas. From the beginning, gas system cost more than electric system.
Yeah.
But depending on the usage, if you will, let's say, if you will keep working this unit like forever, like you have upstairs, your unit upstairs working every time with no stop. You have probably gas system over there because it makes more sense and cost-wise and so on to use the gas system when you use it every day. In some of the places like this one or vacation houses or whatever, when you use it when you actually need it, it makes more sense to buy the electric system. But it's up to you. You know better how to use it. So as of right now, I can estimate electric system because on the start it's cheaper. And then you can figure if you need the gas, we can just add the gas system and run the gas line. Because the gas line costs money as well.
Okay. Yeah.
So if you know you need the gas system, I can put the gas system from the beginning or electric system.
And so the heating it's not as effective as electric system, right? Compared to gas. Gas heating is more effective than electric system, right?
Not really. It's not about the energy itself. So based on the energy, you will probably, if you will take, if you will compare two units with the same capacity, you will probably have the same. But if your unit, let's say, run 365 in a year, gas will be cheaper for you.
Oh, okay.
You know. But if your unit will, if you will use it, let's say your mother-in-law or whatever came here, and you have gas, and you turn the heat on or AC on, you know, and you use it like a week, and then 2-3 months, whatever, you don't even switch it on, it makes more sense to use the electrical system.
Oh, okay.
And from the beginning, it will be cheaper. You will spend less money, and based on the usage, you will not spend a lot on the electric.
Okay.
You know, because on the gas unit, you probably spend the gas only in the winter time. You see the difference, right?
Okay.
So in the summertime, you still use electric. When you use the HVAC system, it's still using electric in the summertime. It's not using the gas in the summertime.
Got it. Yeah, I'm thinking 35% expensive is okay because yeah, in the long term it will save
A lot.
Yeah.
I mean, you can actually feel it. I did the installation like 2 years ago, maybe more than 2 years ago. I did the installation of my attic with the foam installation. So I improved my bill for 45% less right now, just because of the attic. So I have the old walls, and I don't really want to spend a lot of time and money to open all the walls and spray the insulation over there, change on the fiberglass. Just with the attic, my bill lowered down for 45% now. So in the long term, it will make you a lot of money, you know, and we will save a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of that, you can actually many other different benefits. Like in your fiberglass installation, all the spiders, all the bugs, and you know other insects, they can build a nest.
Yes.
In the foam installations, I don't do that.
Yes.
Just in case, let's assume in your house somewhere you have like a small hole, which during the rain will just leak a little bit through the exterior finish, like siding, into the frame, and while the years it will damage the frame, and you will not see it until it's like, you know, something happened. You have a problem on the drywall, or it's like fall down or whatever. With the foam installation, it will not gonna happen, because you have two types of foam installation. One is the open cell, and another is the closed cell. On the walls, you use the closed cell, which is completely insulate the walls. I mean, there is no any kind of pores to get in, and also it's kind of improve the structure itself, make it much stronger.
Okay.
Do you have any preferences on the lighting?
Lighting right now, I would like to go same as my
Like a can
options.
lights?
Yeah.
All over the main areas, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And since it is basement, maybe more lighting required because of the sunlight
Darkness?
ventilation.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Do you want to replace the door on the French door or something like that? Put more windows instead of only this one?
So yeah, I want one window here for the kitchen, and upstairs, if you see, for the living room, I have 3 windows.
Okay.
So
You want to continue the same layout?
the same. So if you look from the outside, right?
That's fine, I got it. Let me just measure the window. It's like 60 inches. Yeah. Do you need any low voltage system for your cinema, for the equipment, like any voltage, a low voltage, like wires for the speakers and so on and stuff like that?
Yeah.
You will need that.
Yes, I
Okay.
need that. Yeah.
Do you know how many speakers will you have? 5 more?
Yeah, 5.
On the trim wise, do you know the size of the trim, the baseboard you want to use, like 3.5 inch or wider one, like 5.5 inch, 7 inch?
Oh, okay. So I think in my upstairs it is 3.5 inch.
If you want me to check upstairs, I can go and check it.
Yeah,
If
so-
you want to continue the
Yeah,
same
continue
like
the
that?
same, yeah.
Okay, let's go and check then.
Yeah.
Do you want to have any crown molding over here as well?
What do you mean by?
Crown molding, you know the
Oh,
crown
oh,
molding
yeah, yeah.
over the ceiling?
Yeah, I don't go with it because
No.
it is going to cost more, right? So
It will, yeah, for sure. I mean, I personally I don't like that because for me it's kind of old school
yeah,
design.
yeah,
you know.
yeah, I'll go with same design as my upstairs, so no problem.
Okay, so let's go to check. I probably got everything I need for now.
Yeah.
So let's go to check what type of the baseboard you have and probably it.
And the French door you're talking about for that entrance?
Yeah, we can have a French door.
Uh-huh.
You want to estimate the French door as well?
Yeah, estimate, but
Mm-hmm.
you know, let's see.
The good thing, you will have all the estimate line by line, like itemized. If you don't like the line item itself, you can just
Okay,
cancel it and that will lower your contract.
okay. So you will give the estimate for the framing, flooring.
For everything,
Okay.
it's gonna be the turnkey.
Okay.
And you will even have the material allowances over there. So you will see the numbers, but definitely you can go cheaper on higher on the materials price.
Okay.
Then you will have credit back when you're on the contract already. You will have a credit back if it's lower, or you will have a change order if it's going up.
Okay. That includes the AC unit as well, right?
Yeah, I will include the AC unit. From the beginning, I will give you everything, and then you will kind of, you know, I don't want this, I don't want this, whatever.
Okay. And the county approvals, how does it work with you?
We pull the permits.
Okay.
Yeah. We do the plans, we pull the permits, and we handle all the trades like electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and other stuff.
Okay.
Call for inspection and so on and so on. Unless you want to do that, because you as a homeowner, you also can pull the permit. It will be cheaper for you. But in this case, you have to be present at each inspection and, you know, call the inspection and so on and so on.
Okay.
So as an option, again, it's gonna be like a separate line item. Meaning, if you will not need that, you have an option to pull or your own or just do it without.
Okay.
It's just your opinion.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for now. I have the questions, but when you send the estimation, and I also would like to visit your.
Yeah, welcome and welcome. And let
Yeah,
me actually
yeah.
send you the link right now.
Yeah.
Or I will forget about that. And we have a lot of really good stuff which you can integrate in your interior, you know, and get some actually other ideas. Your number is 8812 in the end, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I just.
Oh,
received my email.
I just got it. And I send you the link on the Google Maps, so you can just click and go.
Oh, okay.
I would recommend you to call Victoria. She's there from 9 to 3. If you will come after 3, it's better to set up an appointment. But we also can meet you over there in the weekends. If you will need time on the weekends, just let us know in advance, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yep, that's cool. So I got everything I need.
Yeah. Sure.
Let's go check your baseboard, and I will go then. We'll wait for your questions on the estimate.
Yeah.
You have 4.5. This one?
Yes.
Yep, the same one like this.
Yeah.
And no crown molding.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. What's your
Yep.
good name?
Oh, my name's Sergi.
Sergi.
Sergi, yes, sir. Have a great day, and it will take a few days. Be patient. We will send you the estimate, and we'll wait for your, reply with any questions. Okay?
Yeah,
Thank you
sure.
so much.
Thank
Have a
you.
good week. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.
Ну, как-то вот так оно проходит. Вот надо мне переводить, не надо. Буду думать сейчас. Я вообще решил, что крутым подарком тому, кто до конца досмотрел это видео или каким-то образом попал сюда, будет завершающая версия сметы на то, чтобы построить этот бейсмент, для того, чтобы люди, занимающиеся строительством в Америке, могли примерно представлять, какая стоимость сейчас происходит на рынке, и более того, увидели в действии ту программу, которую можно приобрести у меня. Это программа по осмечиванию проектов, которая упрощает работу. И я вам сейчас покажу, как выглядит конечный готовый продукт этого. Как вы видите, здесь есть несколько закладок. Вы можете поставить свой собственный лог, который вы хотите, внести всю информацию. Здесь всю информацию о клиенте. Здесь общая вводная информация, которую тоже можете менять. И потом у вас идет полностью весь список ваших работ, включая количество этого всего по каждой линии и стоимость. Конечную стоимость проекта, схему оплаты, прочие моменты и правила. И также дальше в моей версии стоят разные объяснения, какие кабинеты мы продаем, потому что у меня есть шоурум, через который идут все заказы, вариации дизайнов. Если кто-то захочет работать по той же самой линейке цветов и кухонь, то есть у меня есть, как видите, есть уличные тоже кухни, уличные кабинеты, которые я продаю людям при проектах, когда у меня идут проекты на улице. Для того, чтобы такие проекты увидеть, следите за каналом. Сейчас как раз идет такой проектик у меня, очень интересный, поэтому вот такая вот стоимость проекта может быть. И все это дело организовано у нас по закладкам, где вы просто, у вас есть список номенклатуры ваших товаров. Здесь вы пишете, активируете, здесь количество и здесь стоимость. Все это исходит из исходного файла, который вы формируете практически сами, но сейчас уже есть аппаратный инвентарь. Да, то есть здесь есть все SKU numbers, вся информация, оттуда, откуда покупается, все полностью инвентарный лист того, что я работаю, я, по крайней мере, вот постоянно добавляю сюда, когда есть, выкладываю эти обновления для людей, которые заинтересованы приобрести данный продукт. На данном этапе 420 items, 419 items. Поэтому вначале мы это дело все обсуждаем, потом мы это все считаем подетально и предоставляем заказчику. И даем заказчику возможность посетить шоурум для того, чтобы все потрогать, пощупать и так далее. Потому что люди все-таки любят покупать все глазами, руками и ощущениями. Поэтому я вам скажу точно, что на моем опыте открытие шоурума повысило продажи значительно. Причем по всем направлениям, начиная от ремонтов и заканчивая мебельным. То есть, в принципе, как бы вся нагрузка по продажам, проходящая через шоурум, имеет однозначно очень положительный эффект. А всем остальным, кто досмотрел до этого момента, желаю удачи в бизнесе. Подписывайтесь на канал. Ну и раз уже вы так долго до сюда дошли, значит точно можно поставить лайк. Всем пока.